Welcome to Environmental Studies, Module 3. We will explore the critical topic of environmental pollution, its definition, types, and the impact of human activities on our natural resources. Air pollution, primarily from industrial emissions and vehicles, causes severe health issues and environmental damage, as seen in the Bhopal tragedy. Water pollution degrades our rivers and oceans. Contaminants like chemicals and plastics threaten aquatic life and human health, impacting the Ganges and Sundarbans. Soil pollution from agricultural runoff and industrial waste reduces fertility. Landfills release toxins that contaminate the ground and groundwater. Our oceans face threats from oil spills and plastic debris. Protecting marine life is essential for maintaining global biodiversity. Noise pollution from traffic and construction disrupts ecosystems and causes stress and hearing loss in humans and animals. Nuclear hazards pose catastrophic risks. Radiation from waste and accidents can cause long-term genetic and somatic damage. Effective solid waste management focuses on reducing, reusing, and recycling to minimize the impact of urban and industrial trash. Disaster management prepares us for floods, cyclones, and earthquakes. Timely evacuation and relief operations save countless lives. Finally, we study environmental impact assessment, or EIA. This process helps identify potential environmental effects early in project planning, ensuring sustainable development. Thank you for joining this module. Understanding these pollution challenges is the first step towards a cleaner, safer planet for everyone.